Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bass Bound Fishing. Today we got a special episode. It's just going to be me. Eric's not here this week, but I'm out here in Kansas. My grandparents live out here. They got about a 1,000-acre ranch with a bunch of ponds and creeks on it. We're going to have some awesome footage coming at you guys. Make sure to stay tuned. On the Senko, nice little guy here, probably like maybe a pound, just in this little creek right here, pretty deep, probably about 5 feet, sticking these healthy bass. They're real healthy, got a good gut on them, beautiful colors, they're real healthy. There he goes. We'll catch some more for you guys. Just stuck another pig right here on the chatterbait in bluegill color. This thing is just pure muscle right here. He's chunky, fat. Get the hook out. We're gonna take some pictures and then we'll get the release on him. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're gonna get the release on this nice fish right here. There he goes. Yes. Oh, nice. He smoked the chatterbait. Nice fish right there. We're gonna get some pictures and then we'll get the release on him. Alright, here's the release on this nice fish right here. Good fish. Got this guy on the chatterbait. There he goes. Right in this small little creek right here. Out here in the Flint Hills of Kansas. Little small creek. Got some nice fish in it. Alright, hey guys, welcome back. Fishing this pond behind me. Just stuck this giant right here. Look at that XB360 in his mouth by Excite Baits. Got a big fat gut on him. Nice. I'm here in Kansas like I was saying before. This guy right here is a monster. We'll get the release on him. There he goes. Oh, look how chunky that fish is. That's just a powerhouse right there. Choked the XB360 all the way down in there, barely even hooked him. Caught that guy right next to shore. They're definitely staging up for pre-spawn. Look how fat he is. Oh my god. Get a release on him. Nice. Oh my gosh. Man, another decent one right here. These guys are short and chunky. Stocky fish on the XB360 again. Almost every cast. Casting up against those reed lines and just jigging it. Man, they hate this thing. They're real explosive out at it. Decent one right there. Let's go ahead and get the release on him. And you see what I'm dealing with here. I gotta pull these fish through these weeds right here unless I find an opening like this. But here's this fish. There he goes. Hopefully we'll catch them a little bigger than that, so make sure to stay tuned. Got this little guy right here. Had to pull him through the reeds. XP 360, man. These fish are loving it. They're just nailing it. Really small guy. He's almost as big as the bait. Look at this. About twice as big. Alright, we'll get the release on him. Guys, it's super windy out here. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour. But I caught this guy on the XP1, little guy. I'm not getting as many bites as I was getting yesterday. But I'm still doing pretty good on the XP 360. So we'll get a release on this guy. Make sure to stay tuned. Just stuck another monster right here. This is a pig, dude. But look at that XP 360 in his mouth right there. Sorry for the wind, it's tossing around the GoPro on the tripod, but this is a nice fish right here. There we go. Nice fish right there. Alright. There he goes. Stay tuned, we'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching this week's episode of Bass Bound Fishing. If you guys haven't already, make sure to check out our video, How to Fish a New Pond. That video is going to be right here. Also, next week we have our April Mystery Tackle Box unboxing coming out, so make sure to look for that. And also, this video wouldn't be made possible without X-Sight Baits, Pig Patrol, and Frog Togs. Make sure to check those companies out, and we'll catch you next week on Bass Bound Fishing.